If I told you that you could start a consulting business this month with less than $500, and within a year be earning more than most salaried employees with a master's degree, you'd probably think it's a scam. It's not. But here's the part nobody tells you. Most people who try this fail in the first 90 days, not because the business model is bad, but because they skip the one thing that actually makes clients pay: proof. Let's talk numbers first, because that's what actually matters. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for management analysts was $101,190 in May 2024. That's the employed version of this job. As an independent consultant, your ceiling is higher, but so is your risk. This video breaks down exactly what it costs to start, what you'll realistically earn, and where most beginners go wrong. U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. This business is for people who already have real-world experience in something, even if it's just 3 years of running a small retail store, managing social media for a local business, or handling operations at a mid-size company. It's for people comfortable with sales conversations, because at the beginning, you are the sales team. It is not for someone with zero professional background trying to package advice with nothing to back it. If you've never worked inside a business, in any capacity, pause this video and go get 1 to 2 years of real experience first. Clients pay for pattern recognition, not confidence. So what exactly is business consulting? In simple terms, you get paid to solve a specific business problem, cutting costs, fixing a broken sales process, streamlining operations, or helping a business owner make better decisions with their data. You make money in one of 3 ways: hourly billing, project-based flat fees, or monthly retainers where a client pays you a fixed amount to be available on an ongoing basis. Retainers are where the real income stability comes from, and that's usually the goal by year 2. Now let's look at demand. The consulting industry is growing steadily. The median annual wage for business and financial occupations overall was $80,920 in May 2024, which shows this broader category consistently outpaces average U.S. wages. More specifically, management analysts, also known as management consultants, are projected to grow 8.8% from 2024 to 2034, much faster than the average for all occupations. That growth is being driven by small and mid-sized businesses trying to cut costs and become more efficient without hiring full-time executives. That's your opening. Big consulting firms chase big corporate contracts. Independent consultants like you win by serving the small business owner who can't afford McKinsey but desperately needs help. U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Let's break down what it actually costs to start. Category minimum cost, USD, equipment, laptop, if you don't already have one, $0, $600 licenses/business registration, LLC, $50, $300 inventory/raw material not applicable space/rent, home office, $0 website/basic CRM, $150, $500 marketing, LinkedIn, initial outreach tools, $50, $150 miscellaneous, business email, e-signature tool, accounting software, $50, $150 total minimum investment, $300, $1,700. Here's where that money actually goes. Your laptop is the only real equipment. If you already own one, your cost drops close to zero. LLC registration protects your personal assets if a client ever disputes payment or work quality. Skipping this is one of the biggest early mistakes people make. Your website doesn't need to be fancy. It needs 3 things: what you do, who you help, and how to book a call with you. A basic CRM matters more than people expect, because tracking follow-ups is what actually closes deals. Most beginners lose clients simply by forgetting to follow up on time. Marketing spend early on should go toward LinkedIn outreach and maybe a paid tool to find leads faster. Monthly operating costs are low compared to most businesses, typically $50 to $200 a month, covering your CRM subscription, business email, accounting software, and occasional paid ads if you choose to run them. This is one of the few businesses where your ongoing overhead barely moves as your income grows. Now, income potential, and I'll give you 3 honest scenarios, not hype numbers. Conservative, you land 2 small clients at $500 a month each, giving you $1,000 a month in your first 90 days. Realistic, by month 6, with a mix of project work and 1 retainer client, you're earning $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Optimistic, by year 2, with 3 to 4 retainer clients at $1,500 to $2,500 each, you're earning $6,000 to $10,000 a month. Industry estimates suggest independent consultants typically keep 70 to 85% of revenue as profit, since overhead is minimal. This is one of the highest margin businesses you can start. Break-even is fast in this business, because your investment is small. If you spend $1,000 to start and land even one $500 project in your first month, you're already close to break-even. Most people recover their full initial investment within 30 to 60 days. The real challenge isn't recovering costs, it's building consistent monthly income. Now, the biggest mistakes. First, undercharging out of fear. Pricing at $20 an hour because you think you need experience to charge more. Clients pay for outcomes, not years. Second, not niching down. Trying to help any business with anything makes you forgettable. A consultant who says, "I help dental clinics reduce no-show rates," gets hired faster than someone who says, "I do business consulting." Third, no case study or proof. Starting to pitch clients before you have even one documented result to show. Fourth, ignoring contracts. Doing work on a handshake deal and then chasing unpaid invoices for months. Let's talk about where the real opportunity is. Most consultants target large or generic markets. The underserved niches right now are local service businesses, plumbers, dentists, salons, and small e-commerce brands, who need operational help but can't afford enterprise consultants. Another gap. Consultants who specialize in one narrow system, like inventory management or customer retention, rather than general business advice. Your differentiation strategy should be simple. Pick one industry, solve one specific problem extremely well, and become known for that one thing before expanding. Here's exactly how to start, step by step. Step 1. Choose your niche based on your actual work experience, not what sounds impressive. Step 2. Register your business as an LLC for legal protection. Step 3. Build one simple case study, even if it's unpaid work for a friend's business or your own past employer, showing a real before and after result. Step 4. Set up a basic website and CRM to look credible and manage leads. Step 5. Reach out directly to 20 potential clients a week through LinkedIn or email. Don't wait for inbound leads early on. Step 6. Price your first few projects slightly below market to build proof, then raise prices once you have 3 completed projects. Let's talk tools, because this business genuinely needs a few to run smoothly. You need a website so potential clients can find you and trust you before ever speaking with you. Most business owners will Google you before replying to your message. You need a CRM to track leads, follow-ups, and client history, because inconsistent follow-up is the single biggest reason deals die. You may also need basic automation for scheduling calls and sending proposals, so you're not manually chasing every step. If you want this set up properly without wasting weeks figuring it out yourself, SoftAngles can build your website and CRM system for you. This is exactly the kind of implementation work they specialize in. You can book a free consultation and get a cost estimate through the link in the description. Marketing strategy. Online, focus on LinkedIn outreach and short-form content showing real results and insights. This builds trust before someone even talks to you. Offline, local business networking events and direct introductions still work extremely well, especially for local service business niches. On a low budget, personal outreach beats paid ads every time in your first 6 months. Ads without proof just burn money. Once you have 5 to 7 case studies, scaling means raising your rates, hiring a virtual assistant for admin work, and shifting from one-off projects to retainer clients for predictable income. Now, the real challenges. Income is inconsistent in the first few months. This is normal, not a sign of failure. Client trust takes time to build without a track record. You'll also face scope creep, where clients expect more work than what was agreed. This is exactly why contracts matter. And competition is real. There are a lot of people calling themselves consultants with little to back it up, which makes proof and specialization your biggest advantages. Quick do's and don'ts. Do specialize in one niche. Do use contracts for every single project. Do document results from day one. Don't chase every type of client just because they're willing to pay. Don't skip the LLC registration to save $100. It's not worth the risk. Don't compete on price alone. Compete on results. So, is this actually worth starting? Yes, if you already have real business experience and are comfortable with direct outreach and sales conversations. This is genuinely one of the lowest cost, highest margin businesses you can start in the US right now. But it's not for someone looking for passive income or expecting fast results without putting in consistent outreach work. If you're patient enough to spend 3 to 6 months building proof before real income shows up, this business can realistically become a full-time income within 12 to 18 months. If this breakdown helped you see this business clearly, subscribe. I break down real numbers for a new business idea every week, no hype, just what it actually takes. And if you're ready to move forward and need the website or CRM system built properly, SoftAngles offers a free consultation. Link is in the description below.